TechnoIllustrator. Editing photos. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Step 2. Open up your folder. Open the folder where you have saved your photos in. To do this, click on File, Include Folder, and the folder you wanted to open. Step 3. Apply Effect. Look for grass.jpg. Double-click on your photo. Select Fine Tune. Straighten photo. Adjust the bar to the leftmost. Once you're done, press the little check mark on the upper right of that pop-up window. Step 4. Reduce noise. Select Adjust Detail. Analyze. You can adjust the bar to your liking. Note, over-reduction of noise will cause the image to be too blurred. With this image, let's adjust the bar to the middle. Click on Close File on top. The after photo should be less grainy.